Hello everyone, my name is Wicca BluMoon, and today we are going to be talking about grounding. Now, grounding yourself is one of the key things that you want to do um, either before, but I like to do it after a spell. And grounding yourself is key. And what that is literally you are bringing in new energy into your body, empowering you. It helps kind of circulate the old energy and it pushes it out into the universe, which is a fantastic feeling. So, how do you do that? So, meditation is partial key to this, and the reason for that is because what you want to do is you want to not only feel yourself, um, but you want to also, I guess you'd say, sense what's going on as well. So you don't go in a complete meditative state; you go in a partial meditative state. And while you're doing this, while you're standing there, what you want to do is you want to visualize and feel roots actually coming out to the bottom of your feet into the earth. All right. Now, this may take you a couple times to do, and that is perfectly fine. Um, I don't think people get this the first time they try, and it may take you a while to do it the first time. So don't be ashamed. Don't try to rush it. Take your time and start feeling and sensing the roots. All right. Now, after you do this, what you want to do is you want to start absorbing energy. And you're going to do that through these roots. Now, what will help you is to visualize what you want to happen, and your body will start making it happen. All right. So, as you absorb the energy through the roots, sense it coming up through your body. What you want it to do is start mixing in with your energy that you have already circulating in your body. That would be the first step to do. All right. Then, whenever you think that you have absorbed enough energy, then it's time to go ahead and send the energy out. So, what you want to do is usually does for me is all right. Got some misshaped arms. But what you want to do is put your hands together with your palms facing to the sky. Okay? So with that, what you're going to want to do is take the energy that's circulating into your body and start feeling it coming up to your hands, and then it's going to be a weird sensation, but what you want to do is shoot that energy up and outward. Now, whenever you first do this, it's going to take you a little bit of time. Maybe it's going to take you 10 minutes, maybe it'll take you 15 minutes. This whole process only takes me about, I say about 5 minutes anymore. So, but don't worry. If you can't do it the first time, try it again. Practice makes perfect. So, again, whenever you ground, you want to spread roots out of your feet, and you want to absorb the energy up and into your circulating energy. And then when you want to get rid of energy during this process, because sometimes you feel like you're holding too much, so getting rid of it, sending it to the universe, is a great way to make sure that you not only release the built up energy, but that you don't overdo it either for the grounding. So, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I try to check my comments every so often, so I am always open to new questions, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please share and like it, and don't forget to subscribe for new videos. Thank you.